What's up, guys? What's going on? Welcome back to another video. Group B EJ25 here. Back here with my '07 STI. So if you guys have noticed on the videos, you notice that the trunk is pretty much empty, right? The only thing up here, you only see the Subaru logo with the 6 stars, but you don't see any badging here though, right? So the previous owner went ahead and took off the badges of this car. So my main thing today is to put back the STI Impreza badge. I feel like it's good for the car to be identifiable. Yes, you can tell it's a Subaru, but you know what model it is, right? So my last car, I took off the WLX because normally it comes with a WLX badge right here, and up here says STI Impreza. So the only badge I bought is the STI Impreza, and the reason for that, first of all, it's expensive. I bought this from Subaru, and I believe it was $75. I could have gone on eBay and looked for one that's probably used or something. By this point, I just want to go with the original OEM. So yeah, so I'll be showing you guys how to install the badge. It's super easy. The first thing you want to do is actually prep this area. Make sure that this area is very clean. Now my car is clean, but problem is I also have a lot of wax on it, right? So I want to make sure that this place is as dry as possible. And then after I clean it with a soap or something, I also put some alcohol, either alcohol wipe or something, just to make sure that that surface is very clean, and then the new badge will actually stick in there. So unfortunately I only got one hand, but I'll try to show you guys how to do it. So I have this cloth up here. That's what I used to wash the car with. Oh, I washed the car earlier on with this. So this should at least clean up this space up here from any dirt. Just want to go in circular motions. You can go anywhere you want, but I like going in circular motions because I feel like when you go in circular motions, it actually takes the stuff out. You know, when you go like this, it's almost like putting everything, like kicking everything in it. You know, it could be wrong, but that's just my theory. So I normally go with circular motion because I feel like you take any dirt off from that spot. So, but going, you know, going this way though. So, so make sure that area is very clean. You know, like one thing about this car, like up here is very soft. Now here feels a little bit dry, which is good. That's what we want, because here is soft because of all the wax that I normally have on the vehicle. So I'm big in, I'm always big in putting wax. That's just me. Feel like it kind of protects the paint a little bit more, especially car like this that's parked outside. So anyways, so this is the badge I bought from Subaru. If you guys want the part number, that is it right there, 93073FE800. So you can see the STI badge there, and right on the bottom you can see the Impreza. So the good thing about it also, it comes with a template, so it's very self-explanatory. So pretty much you just match it up to where the bumper is, I mean not bumper, the trunk is, as you can see that way, and then press the badge in here. So stand by. So there's a little bit of alcohol that I just put on these paper towel up here. So what I want to do is just want to put a little bit of it right there. So I don't like this, I'm not a big fan of this, but this is what really takes off whatever else that may be left in there. So I just put a little bit in there though, and then I'll just wipe it off. So I'll put that in there, and then I'll wipe it off with a rag. Just, you know, just to make sure that that part there is clean. So then after this, you just want to leave it off for just a little bit to dry off. Oh yeah, you can tell like up here is very smooth. Here you can kind of dig in, so that's perfect. That's what I wanted. Your main thing is you just want to make sure that this stuff gets in. So I mean, this stuff sticks, you know what I mean? You don't want to put a badge and then just a few months later or so it just comes off. So yep. I think that's as good as it will get. So I can probably proceed. Yeah, I'll go ahead and proceed and put the badge in. All right, just took off the badge from the wrap that holds it here. So in order for you to stick the badge, you can, let me show you guys real quick again though. As you can see, this is definitely, it goes to where the bumper is. I mean, keep calling it the bumper, the trunk is. So it's perfectly fine. So that's how you actually gonna align it. But the main thing is you wanna take up this tape that's back here so you can get the sticky stuff to hold on to the trunk. So it's gonna be hard for me to show you though, but if you get the concept that I'm saying, it's a lot easier. You take off this and then you lay this piece right here, and then you're gonna peel off the whole thing slowly until it actually catches in. Again, that's how you peel off the tape from the back. So I'm gonna pull it off 100%. Just wanted to take you guys step by step. Just that I'm holding the phone with one hand, and so if I wish I brought my tripod with me, that way I can show you guys better. But that's how you do it, and then you lay there ever so slightly that way, and then keep pressing it until it actually catches or sticks. All right, guys, I've just laid the piece there. I haven't actually pressed it in, but what you want to do is make sure that this piece lines up with the trunk line. So that's how mine is. It's a little bit off right here, as you can see, but not by much. But what I'll do is I'll press it in very, very hard and then start peeling off the stuff slowly. So that's how it goes. So this is the process right here, as you can see. What I did is, before I picked up the camera though, I had pressed it with both of my hands, just to make sure it sticks. That's how you do it. You just keep pressing it, then you press around. Then you press around is easy because it's just one line. Keep pressing it until you feel like you're satisfied. That's a personal preference, one person can just do it just once and be okay with it. For me, I'll probably, if I was to be asked, I'll be here all day pressing it until make sure it's good. But yeah, this should be good right now, the way it sits. Like I said before, I actually used both of my hands earlier, but since I only have one hand, that's the reason why I couldn't show you that. So all right, so that should be good. So you want to do is just peel this guy off. Actually, maybe we can peel this one first. Let me see. Probably peel this guy first. So this right here is just to protect, the writing and stuff. So there you go. STI Impreza, back on it. So yeah, I've always wanted that badge. Like I said, my old car, the 06 STI, I took off the bottom Impreza part, just like the STI. But I think it's good to identify the car, know what kind of car it is. So yeah, I'm happy. So go ahead, close the trunk. Make sure I have the keys with me. So that's how it is. So when you're behind me, at least you know that is an STI. Not that it means the biggest, and it's funny because in this country, in the United States, Subarus are not that well respected as they are in other countries though. But yeah, in UK and all those other countries though, STI is actually always respected. I respect STIs. This is my dad Subaru, like I mentioned earlier. So yep. So anyways, so if you want to know how to install a badge, that's how you do it. If you have any questions, just leave a comment. And if it's something that I need to help you even more, just get on my IG group _ B_EJ25, and I can return any questions you have. All right, thank you guys, have a good one. Bye.